Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you remember a few weeks ago I did a review on that Ninja Creami machine. I absolutely love this thing and I promised to bring you guys some of our most favorite recipes. You're going to love this one. This is the vanilla ice cream one that I did in that video, but I'm going to show you the actual recipe for it. So easy. So there is actually only 4 ingredients in this. One is I use the French vanilla sugar-free pudding. I use sugar-free sweetener, whatever one you use commonly, that one will work fine. I also use Fairlife milk. I use this milk because one, I feel like it makes it a little bit creamier, but also it has higher protein in it. And then a half a cup of water. How simple is that? Now, after you get done with this recipe, each pint is going to be approximately 210 calories. I don't know of any ice cream I can get in the store for 210 calories and know exactly what's in it. So we're going to get started here. Let's take the lids off. First thing I put in mine is my milk. We're going to put 1 cup of the Fairlife milk in. Okay, and we're going to do that for each container. This recipe will make 2 pints. Okay, and then I put my half a cup of water in each one of them. One in that one, and one in that one. All right, now sweetness, that's up to you. If you want it sweeter, by all means add more sweetener to it. But what I do, since the pudding's already sweet, I do 1 heaping tablespoon in each container. So just like that. And then this pudding, we're going to divide it between the 2 containers. And I just do this as best I can. You could actually use a scale and measure it out and do all that. But I just basically start with putting a big tablespoon in each one and I try and divide it as best I can between the 2. No reason to make it complicated. Just like that. And that's it, guys. That's all of our ingredients. Now what I do to get it to mix up really well is I use my immersion blender with the whip on it. And I start on low and I do it a little bit faster, but that's so that everything don't come flying out. So I just hold it like this. And I mix it for about 30 seconds. Now I'll just move that one over and mix this one. And then I mix it again. It's just my method. Just go with it. All right, so those are all mixed up. So now the only thing you have to do is put your lids on it, put them as flat in the freezer as you can, and freeze it for 24 hours. And then take it out, and you're gonna leave it set on the counter for 10 minutes before you get ready to spin it the next time. All right, guys, so I've had mine sitting out for about 10 minutes on the counter. If you don't want to give it 10 minutes, then you can run hot water over it a little bit for about 5 minutes to get it going quicker. But what you don't want is you don't want it to have a big hump in the bottom of it. If it does, then you want to try and knock that down with a spoon or something. But mine's pretty good. So I'm going to put it in here, and you got to kind of put it in like that. Put the lid on it. Now I spin mine twice. I spin mine on light ice cream and remix. So I'm going to go ahead and get this done, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. So turn it on, and we're going to do light ice cream. Now to do the remix, you have to make sure you let it down all the way. Put it back up, and then we are going to do the respin. Now, I find by using those two settings, it gets to the consistency that I like. But if it's not the way you like it, add just a little bit of milk to make it a little bit smoother or creamier. But let me show you how. See that? We like more of the scoopable type ice cream, so this turns out perfect for us. You can't get better vanilla ice cream than that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you give it a try, because I'm telling you, this makes great ice cream with the Ninja Creami. And I promise you, we have tons of different recipes. They're going to be coming soon, so keep an eye out and make sure you see all of the upcoming ones too. And I'll see you guys in the next one.